Next, in the e-learning tutorial, we're going to learn how to add the first lecture for the first week. To make any changes to the course, we need to click Edit Mode on the right-hand side of the course page. Then we go to the section where we want to add an activity. Here where it says New Section, we could name this Week 1 or Unit 1 or whatever you want to name it. You can put the date in there as well, followed by the topic that you are going to study. Hit Enter on the keyboard, and this is the title for that particular unit. If you want to add an additional explanation below the unit itself, click here on the three dots on the right-hand side under Edit, and then click on Edit Settings. Then in the description area, enter the details for that particular unit, and then press Save. Now we navigate back to the main course page by clicking on the course code. To upload the first lecture, you can use the drag and drop option. In Windows, you just bring up the File Explorer, and then you have the File Explorer a little bit smaller than the full e-learning screen here, and you drag it to the right, and it should move the file over. In my case, I'm using a Mac to record it, and the drag and drop is not as simple. So I'm going to demonstrate it by adding the lecture manually using Add an Activity or a Resource option. So we click here on Add an Activity or Resource. You click on File. You give it a name. You don't need to put a description. Then you click here on Select Files to add. Find the file that you want to add. In my case, here's my presentation 1. And then upload the file. Leave all the additional options here alone, and then press Save and return to the course. At this point, the Lecture 1 Notes has been configured. Students will be able to click on it, download it, and view it. So that's how you upload files. These could be your PDF files, lecture notes that you have in Microsoft Word or any type of other format, PDF, and things of that nature. You can turn editing off in the course by toggling the edit mode on the top right, and you'll see what the course looks like so far.